heavens, and this is that stuff. Today's video is IKEA stuff. Yes, the partner has gone and got some IKEA shelves, so now I've got to put them together. Shelves, cupboards, whatever you want to call them. And yeah, the joys of trying to put them all together. So this is going to be the joy of me in the kitchen trying to put together these cupboards. Wonderful. Chest of drawers is the word I'm looking for, to be honest. Anyway, it'll be in a time lapse, so have fun. So far, so good. Fuck! If I'm meant to have a hammer, I've got a mallet. Great. Box number 2. Yay. No one more box after this. That's one drawer, only another 4, 5. Yeah, 5 more drawers to do. So far so good. One more box, and that's one of those done, and another one of those, and then another project for another day. There we are, one down, only another one to go, but it should be easy because we've already done one. Ta-da! Thanks for watching another awful DIY project by me. Until the next one.